me turn up the pressure.
Today I'm going to review this paint shield holder by Kraft. It's a little confusing. It says Xtenda-Leg, so online it said Kraft. 1 second quick angle adjustment, we'll test that. I'll put a link in the description. Nice. Quick adjustment. And if you want it tighter, just take a Phillips, tighten that down. So you're going to want it pretty loose because it's going to have cardboard in it. So you can put it right on the ground and move it. Well, I got some cardboard here from a box. I just cut the lid off, probably at Home Depot. And you just load it up. Nice. Fits very snug. Of course, you can go as long as you want. You can hold the handle for small jobs. It's also threaded for an extender. That's pretty nice. So the reason I made this purchase, the rest of the house was not that big a deal, walls and unfinished flooring. However, when it gets to the cabinets, I'll be able to put that right up in there, spray the top half, and then possibly use it for the cabinetry. We'll see how that goes. I'll be using the Graco Magnum 7X, and I got the pressure for the paint on the low setting to start since I'm practicing. Out of curiosity, let's try this door. Nice! That's a pretty nice line. So this is a winner. Looks alright. Here's the cardboard I was using. Very little paint on the back. That's nice. The cardboard absorbs it. And I want a longer one for the next project. Longer is key, and you can get these at the box store a little wider and 31 inches long for $1 a piece. So let me load that up. So the cardboard's got this crease in there. Maybe I can use that to my benefit. Stick it in there, right like that. Spray it in there. So this is all trial and error. I'm in the learning curve. First of all, you don't want to use flimsy cardboard. That thing is shot. So I could do that procedure the whole way around this sliding glass door. However, I'm painting the entire room, so I'm going to need to take this off anyway. So that's what I'm going to do, but I just wanted to try this to see how it works, and definitely need some practice. Here's another idea. This is vinyl sheet. It fits up in here nice and snug. And this is when you need the thin straight line and you need something rigid to put it against, and you don't get that thick cardboard line effect. However, what I've noticed in the past with plastic, when they build up on paint, it will seep around, so you're constantly cleaning it, where the cardboard absorbs the paint. It's helpful. Here's a cool idea. I needed light for painting, and I found these clear bags in the cabinet. And I thought, hey, I could protect the light with this clear bag. LEDs don't get hot, so it won't melt the plastic. I've already sprayed this top section once, and you see I have overspray. Not concerned about it because I'm painting the cabinetry separately. However, in the next clip, we'll demonstrate how the shield would be effective so you wouldn't have overspray. we'll give it a whirl. In a bathroom, you're trying to save the tile. Wow, the machine's off. Take two.
Take two and 2, 1.
Wow, that is a wide spray. Not bad. And what little overspray I have could be easily scrubbed off with a Brillo pad. No. So I really like this device. And I got to thinking, what do I have that's rigid and straight and lightweight? Styrofoam. So I carved out a little area right here, put a bevel on it, and had I had this in place, I wouldn't have oversprayed onto the window. What happened was, I put the shield in place and then I was focused on the spraying and forgot about the shield. You could do that in an 8-foot section. This is rigid, stays nice and straight. You could just rest it on the floor, do the whole door. Depending on your application, that would be a nice long shield. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to watch the full update of this kitchen, I'll provide a link